Sea Ranch is a stunning coastal town in Sonoma County, California. Known for its breathtaking ocean views, rugged coastline, and distinctive architecture. Situated along 10 miles of Pacific coastline, about 100 miles north of San Francisco. Designed in the 1960s by architects like Charles Moore, Joseph Escherick, and landscape architect Lawrence Halprin. The Sea Ranch Lodge is the heart of this iconic coastal community. Offering breathtaking ocean views, rustic elegance, and a deep connection to nature. Served as a gathering place for visitors and residents, with a restaurant, bar, and event space. The beaches near Sea Ranch Lodge are quiet, wild, and deeply connected to nature. Shell Beach is the closest to the lodge. Distance from lodge, 0 to 5 mile walk, about 5 to 10 minutes. This is the soul of Sea Ranch, untamed, elegant, and utterly alive. Immerse yourself in the breathtaking panorama as you stroll along the coastal path. This is coastal walking at its most sublime, where every step connects you deeper to the untamed soul of the Pacific. The panorama before you has inspired architects, artists, and dreamers for generations. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Your support fuels our next adventure.